as you know, or some of y'all might know, it snowed here. It hasn't. I'm back. Yeah, I'm back with another video for y'all. I took a break. I don't know why. I just took a big break. But as some of y'all know, I live in Louisiana. It snowed in Louisiana. It snowed on Tuesday. And there's still some snow left. Like that. But I'm on the golf course, of course. Probably shouldn't be filming on the golf course, so I'm just gonna leave. I'm gonna go back. I'm not gonna go there. I'm just gonna go random places. Show y'all around what all the snow looks like. So here's the ditch. I'm not gonna show any people or anything. But it snowed here. And there's some snow in the yard still. Like, this is what the golf course. They probably cleaned some of this off. I know there's no way all melted so quickly. Like, there was some snow on this morning. I saw people looking at it. But honestly, I shouldn't be, if I, like, it's just more helping here than hurting. Or, like, there are a lot of trash marks from other family people's story. But this is just footprints. All the footprints of people walking back and forth as well are left the bones growing. Not really. There's a couple footprints here and there. But that was big. And then that's a footprints. Big one. There's a lot of bumps now. But I mean, that's what happens. All this grass is gonna die, but anywho, don't know why I'm recording a video. I just decided I felt like it. There's not really much to see here. I don't know what else. There's a snow over there. I should have filmed it on Tuesday, but it didn't matter. But like I was too busy to think anything. See, I mean, there's not much out here. There's a couple puddles and not really anything to be too excited about. I mean, there's ruin marks on the golf course and people are leaving their things all over places. But I don't see anything here. I mean, I see snow in a puddle. I don't know why I recorded this video. It's probably the most boring video y'all have ever watched. But that's just a look on what it looks like over here in Louisiana right now. Snow is melting a lot, and there's a lot of melting snow, and it's all wet now. Once all the snow melts, it's gonna look exactly like it did look before, all wet and mucky, but like not the snow, but like all like Louisiana, it's gonna look just like it did. It's gonna be so cold though. Yeah, we were known. I don't think there was everything. Like I wasn't even known to be ready because we didn't expect anything because it's Louisiana. Like it doesn't happen much until it does, and everybody's not ready because they're all freaking out because they don't know they have the right gear. I did not. I had to put. I honestly, to be honest, I put work gloves over normal gloves just to make my gloves waterproof. And I would do a last to leave challenge with the boys, but with the boys, but I don't know what I would use. I would say last to leave the backyard because we have fence. But I don't want to last all day in the backyard. Because, like, technically there are other things in the backyard to do. But the fun thing is, sort of the most fun thing in the backyard isn't within the fence. And I think the rules would be you can't leave the fence, because that's honestly the best thing you could do. But there's some stuff by this tree. I tried to build some snowmen, but it didn't work. Well, like, I built a snowman, it worked, as in the fact that I built it. But it melted to earlier today. I did make a couple that did make it. That did make it. Ate it, but not all of them made it. I know this is probably the most boring video I've watched. And also, that one did not make it. I thought it made, but it didn't make it. See one over there. Didn't make it. Just a mountain now. This is now. See anything else really? I'm just so moved. No.